Do you love hot and gooey cinnamon rolls? Or what about that sweet, delectable peach cobbler? Well, today on What It Looks Like, we're going to do a mashup of cinnamon rolls and peach cobbler. We're going to use Pillsbury Grand Cinnamon Rolls, and then we're going to make our own peach cobbler sauce. So I can't wait to see it. Are you ready? I'm ready on What It Looks Like.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
Let's get this one open right here. So where's the thing at? There it is. Now I've actually never tried this recipe before. I just saw it on the Pillsbury.com website. It looked and sounded like it might be really good. So we're gonna see. Alright, let's spray the pan with some pan cooking spray so it doesn't stick to it. Should be good. Now what we're gonna do is take our cinnamon dough here, set the icing aside, the icing right there, get it out. Oh, the top fell off the icing. Oh boy. There we go. All right, now let's get our cinnamon dough out. Right now let's spread this out. Oh man, look at that cinnamon on there. This is gonna be the base of our cinnamon roll peach cobbler here. Out. Just cut that a little bit just so it can fit in the side of my pan. There we go. Another layer right here. Spread that out a little bit. I'm getting cinnamon all over my hands, but hey, that's okay. It's part of the baking process. You gotta get your hands a little dirty if you want to have something that tastes good. Okay, so that's gonna make our base, and now we're gonna do the we're gonna do the peach cobbler sauce next. Now we're gonna pour in half a cup of sugar, quarter cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of ground cinnamon, and then we're going to add our 2 cans of peaches. Do not drain the peaches, leave all the sauce in there, all the juice in there. That's going to add to our flavor here. Let's try to get that all stirred up the best we can. Tell you one thing, with this heavy syrup and this sugar, it's definitely going to be sweet. What we're going to do next is transfer this to a pot, and then we're going to cook it on the stove. Just want to make sure I get it all blended in there well. It smells wonderful. Alright, let's take it to the pot. So you just want to boil the peaches and the sauce. That way you make sure the sugar crystals get dissolved. It doesn't have to come to a boil. You just want to cook it so it starts to steam a little bit. And then once it's done, just want to set it to the side for about 15-20 minutes and let it cool off. And that way it doesn't start to cook the cinnamon rolls once you pour it on top. And now we want to pour our cooled peaches on top of our cinnamon roll dough here. All the juice and everything is just going to cook up real nice. And in there, let's spread the peaches around a little bit. Now with the second can of cinnamon rolls, we just want to lay it on top here and form like this. We need the top part of the peach cobbler. Lay it across there like that. It does not have to be pretty because this is going to bake up in the oven. It's going to get nice and thick. Look how gooey it is, even just as the dough is gooey. It smells really good. Put it on there. And then we can go, if we have some extra pieces, hey, why not go across this side of it like that? Doesn't matter, this is your peach cobbler. You make it however you want to make it. This is how I'm going to make mine. Just remember, when that cooks up, it's going to be really, really nice. Let's move this piece around and slide it right there in the middle. It's nice and perfect. All right, let's bake it in the oven for about 23 to 25 minutes. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Now let's just be honest, this is not a healthy meal, so there's really no point in me going over how much protein it has in it or how many grams of sugar, because it's got a lot of sugar in it. Let's just be honest. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is amazing. I mean, this looks so delicious. Can you imagine eating this? Like, look at all the cream icing on there. Look at the peach cobbler stuff in the middle here. Oh my God, this looks fantastic. Now, I don't have anything to compare it against per se, but we're just gonna go by what it looks like, and this looks like it is heaven. I cannot wait to dig into it. I actually went out and bought me some ice cream for it because I did not want to be without ice cream for this dish, but this looks amazing. If you're interested in this recipe, or you want to try if you try something similar, a cinnamon roll peach cobbler, let me know what you think. I cannot wait to hear your comments. But this right here, what it looks like is amazing. This time I want to show you how it looks when I scoop it out. Oh wow, look at that. Let's get some of this peach juice in there. Oh, it looks so good. Man, oh, it smells so good. That glazed icing, the cinnamon, the peaches, man, it smells good. Oh boy, this is a wonderful smelling dessert. Now the kitchen, the whole house smells like cinnamon rolls. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this. Oh, it smells so good. Here we go. I've been waiting for this all day. Oh man. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. This is amazing. The cinnamon rolls is nice and gooey. The peaches, the juice from the cinnamon that we cooked in the pot. Oh, it all blends so good together. Oh, this is good. This has got to be one of the best desserts I have ever made in my entire life. This is amazing. Oh, it's so good. You know I gotta take another bite. I gotta take another bite. This is so, I mean, I sound like a broken record. This is amazing. You have got to try this recipe. You know what? I got some vanilla ice cream. Oh my God. And it's not even too sweet. That's the thing about it. I thought with all the sugar, the heavy syrup from the cans of peaches, it was gonna be too much sugar, but it's not too sweet at all. It is perfect. It is absolutely perfect. I also thought maybe I put too much cinnamon in it, but no. The way I made it, the half a cup of sugar, the quarter cup of cinnamon, delicious. Let's get some ice cream on top of this. Now the ice cream that I like to use when I have a dessert like this is Breyer's extra creamy ice cream, vanilla ice cream. It says extra creamy vanilla, velvety smooth, deliciously creamy. Put a scoop on here. Can't do too much. Let's put a little bit. I think I got too much. Just put some on the side. Get some peaches, some of the cinnamon roll, some ice cream. Doesn't that sound like a good combination? Cinnamon rolls, peaches, and ice cream. Oh boy. Here we go. It's just so amazing. It is so amazing. I mean, I don't even have the words to describe how good this tastes. You know, I'm gonna have to go through my thesaurus on this because I don't have the words. Amazing just doesn't sound good enough. Here's some other words that go with amazing from the thesaurus. Awesome, fascinating, incredible, marvelous. All of these words can describe how this tastes. Stunning, it says, surprising, unbelievable, wonderful. This is probably my favorite what it looks like video. This is amazing. You've got to try this dessert. It is unbelievable.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. A 10. Next up is taste. 10. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 10 for me. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? Do it now. And if there's a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave a comment below, and if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.